Whoa. Go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There we come. Oh my gosh. The balcony's still up there. Time to find some ghosts for Halloween. Whoa. Ghost goblins.
Here for the ghost tour?
Yeah, the ghost tour.
We're going to lead you through it.
The ghosts eat. There we go. The ghosts eat. Roar, the ghosts are hungry. This is amazing. All right, where's the organ hiding? I hear it. This is pretty neat. Wow. Huh. Yeah, I'll be dogged. Look at that. Coming soon, climbing the stairs. Climbing those stairs up to the upstairs. Ghost Light Adventure. Oh boy. Doink.
I know the feeling. I feel that way when my dog's not along. My body all that.
Is that like the orchestra?
This light is the light on the left on the stage while the theater is active. This one had Virgin in New York City where it was safety. This one is not. These lights are turned off.
Okay, that explains what those are. That's where the organ pipes used to be.
Oh yeah,
That's according to this, yeah.
Okay.
Up there and up there.
that's cool.
That's why there's stairs going up there. Probably stairs on this side too, but you can see the stairs over here that go up.
That's fun.
Interesting.
Sense electromagnetic fields when it comes near them. So if you get your phone too close to it or anything, it might go off. So I'm going to start my voice recorder. Missing. Yours is missing?
Yes.
Really? That's terrible. I'm going to cry.
It's buried somewhere in my book bag.
What else do I have? I'm going to save the battery on this.
Yes.
This is not a great room for this.
Your EMF detector. So this is an EMF detector that I have that's digital. Most people have the other one where it's like a gauge with lights. I think those work better, but this is what I have currently.
Do you want to show them like how to sweep a room, like when we first come in?
So Yes, a lot of electronics, even just our cell phones, microwaves.
Do-do-do-do-do. Yeah, these are marble steps. I think they're like that at Radio City too. As I recall, I remember seeing marble there. That or else I lost my marbles. Oh wow, look at that. Got ghost lights there.
Oh, I see it. Okay.
There we come.
Okay.
All right, ghosts, goblins, wherever you are. Yeah.
Pretty amazing all this marble stuff. Somebody didn't come through over the years.
Well, it's too heavy to steal.
Oh, yeah.
Copper plumbing is what everybody goes after because that's lighter. In this area, anyways. There we come. Up the stairs we go.
Isn't this what I thought that was?
Heading for the projection booth. Hard telling, somebody that was famous might have performed here many, many years ago.
Yeah, it'd be neat to find if there was records of the old building, so to speak, who was here.
Yeah?
Okay. You want to go first?
It's recommended to maybe go sideways. You get more foot leverage.
Oh yeah. Projection booth
Steps.
is not a large
And do
place,
off her hand
probably.
and knee beat. Okay.
Or is it? Got more steps. Oh yeah, this stairway doesn't have rails, folks.
Yep, there's no railings.
So just use the wall.
Yep, take the wall and walk sideways if need be. Because they are narrow.
Oh yeah, they certainly are.
Yeah.
Size 12s really go off them.
Oh boy.
Woo!
Exactly.
Yeah.
This is the most remote place we have to get to tonight, so congratulations.
Oh, God, no, from here.
You made it. Literally. The jokes are downhill. So.
The jokes? Yeah.
Alright, we'll get these spaced out a little bit. Let's see.
Everybody want to step sideways with the steps if possible. It's not a huge room.
Oh, look at that. Hole in the roof.
Yeah, can you see outside?
Well, there's a handle up there and a door. Of course, I'd have to be about 12 foot tall to reach it.
Alright, I don't want the same word.
God, I can't believe.
Should we need this a good time? You
Think about it. This is a tall room for this purpose. Interesting.
The force was with you down.
Let's see what's in here.
I want
RCA.
to do it when we're out there with the seating.
Oh, looks like it's empty. Wait a minute. Here's something interesting.
Watch the stuff on the floor. I'll be the first one.
I also got some. I put some catalogs out.
So while you're doing that, you want me to
This is
read?
neat.
Yeah, go ahead.
So since we are in a projection booth, the information that we were given was this has 3 power projectors and 1 spare with a throw of 112 feet. The maximum picture size was 13 feet 6 inches by 18 feet.
That is kind of going off like a little bit. I think we'll move it though.
Yours or the red one? Let's see. Whoops.
from the projection booth, going down. Here we go, folks. Goodbye. Uh-oh. Bring this down. Oh, thanks. Appreciate that. You know, my steps at home are narrow, so I've gotten used to doing it this way. Man, the old projection is, boy, I tell you, you must have small feet.
I bet a lot of people tripped.
Yeah.
Here. Alright.
So, you should spread out a little bit.
Now, this was never open when I was seeing movies in this in the 70s.
So you don't want to walk.
Behind this, right? Is it? Yeah, the mezzanine is the part that's out.
Yeah, I think that's the under area where we came up from the stairs.
We have to go down a floor?
This is the balcony.
Oh, okay, we can go down. Is that on our list?
I don't know.
Wait. Oh, I don't know. Oh, that balcony is there, isn't it? Wait a minute. I thought those balconies were gone. That is a balcony there.
It's in my backpack.
It looks like a balcony there
Well,
to
they
me.
said they didn't have balconies, so I'm wondering like if that was where part of the organ played out.
Oh, that's probably what it is. It's probably the organ thing. You're right. That would be the organ thing. Let me see something though. That's odd. Well, maybe that is still there. I was thinking it was gone. Okay, time to take photo and video. Mm-hmm.
Just walk through the nails if you want to sit. Oh, here's one down. There's nails on the floor.
When I drive my car here, they'd be in my tires. There's a nail in the road, my car will catch it every time. Oh, that's really neat the way that is. It's kind of a loge. Here's where they replaced the windows.
Yeah, well, it's a nice drawing.
Alright, so we're gonna try this device while we're here.
Yeah, there's the windows. Ooh. Okay, well, chandeliers are up there too, I guess. Oh my gosh. What's over? What's this over?
It keeps smelling like rose perfume or something like that. It keeps
Oh, is
smelling
that
like
the?
rose
That,
perfume.
that looks like a bathroom.
Oh, that's, is that where they said they used the morgue?
I think that was downstairs.
This
Yeah.
was a bathroom, I
In
think.
that movie, that they showed.
Oh, maybe-
they said
maybe.
that there was a room that they used as a morgue.
That might be. That might be.
We are gonna be going to the basement.
That sounded British.
Sounds like there's 10. They're all talking over each other. Is there really 10 of you here? How many of you are here? Can you touch that device again?
It's a white.
Yeah, it's white. Can you touch that white device again? Oh, it's mine.
It's way too close. Right? It's this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not the phone.
Go ahead, touch that device and light it up so we can see the pretty colors.
You're so close. You've almost got it.
Even just like
Come on, baby, go slow.
Go ahead, it's not gonna hurt. I promise you. I don't think.
I'm not that
Don't be scared. We're just here to show these people that the deceased are still here and that we need to take care of history in this town. There you go. Light it up. Keep doing
Good
it.
job. Doing a great job. Thank you.
Keyword N.
Impossible? It's not impossible. Talk to anyone who's deceased tonight.
Can you light up the balls like this? It's really pretty.
Too shiny.
Too shiny?
I did say that. Or society.
You know me, I never
Thought it
hear
might say
anything.
society.
It might have said society.
Society. Yeah.
I thought it was saying deciding.
Deciding. Okay, that's
Okay.
good. That's good.
Can you decide to light up the cat balls for us, please?
Do you know what room we're in right now? Can you say what room we're in? What used to be? Can you tell us your name, please? If you think you hear anything, just shout it out. Because this is experimental technology. It's not like you're not going to hear it crystal like on your Verizon phone, you know. What did it say? Where you at? We're right here. We're in the organ room. Yeah, we're with. Yeah, you're doing good. What happened to the organ? What happened to the organ? You used to play the organ for the theater?
Yes. How I will be interesting.
Interesting. Is this interesting that we're talking to you?
Do you like that we're here with you? Do you want us to be here? Obviously not.
Main supply to standpipes. Main supply to sprinkler system. Sprinkler draw, okay. Standpipes, okay, so this is the, okay. All right. Here we go. This is underneath the theater, huh? Yep. More over that way. That's closed off, I think. My, oh my. Yeah, the old theater here. Wow. That's kind of awesome. Oops. Okay. Kicked a rock. What's over here? More stuff, huh? Ooh. Look at that. Aha. These chairs are not to be moved or removed without permission from Nigel Crajian. Okay, thank you, Nigel. Closet. Interesting. Interesting stuff. So I found chairs. Enjoy. Okay. Enjoy. Yeah. That's the only writing I see around here, but I thought I'd take another look. See if there's any writing on these walls. But I doubt it. It's like this has been sealed off for years. Coming in another door. Ooh.
Thank you for letting that up.
Oh.
We have some devices around the room, one in the middle of the room, one at the far end of the room. And it actually didn't light up, so I think we need to turn that one on. Oh, there it goes.
I have turned on. It's like calm.
Who's down here in the basement with us? This must have been one of the dressing rooms. Let's read about it.
No, the dressing rooms are upstairs.